Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best MIG welder for beginners you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best MIG welder for beginners in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Fourney Easyweld 261 welder. Setup was easy. Unit seems to be quality built and easy to use especially for first timers. Priced right, shipped fast. Great for light garage welding and fixing. If you are building a sub in your garage, this is not the unit for you. If you are just doing some light to mid welding, this unit works great. The Forney 140 welder is an impressive flux core capable welder. Perfect for first time welders up to avid users. Easy to use 140 FCI MIG machine uses 0.30 flux core wire. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control so you can dial in the perfect weld. Perfect entry-level welder. Lightweight 19 pounds, easily carried to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist project. Lightweight 19 pounds, easily carried to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist project. For details, let's watch more. Our second best MIG welder for beginners is Lotus MIG-175 MIG Welder. The Lotus MIG-180 is awesome. I am blown away by the power and setting ability of this welder. Not to even mention the value you get when buying this welder. Included spool gun, 180A welder, quality of the welder. Great for intermediate to beginners who want to MIG weld stainless, mild steel, or thin aluminum with spool gun. Its transformer technology has been proven to be reliable and durable. MIG-175 can easily connect it to your existing 220 volts wall outlet and can be set up quickly within 10 minutes. High-speed MIG spool gun for aluminum welding, 10 feet 4 inches long, 4-prong end connection, 1 pound aluminum wire with dia. 0.9 mm included. The Lotus MIG-175 is one of the most versatile welders. It is able to weld aluminum with the spool gun. Its transformer technology has been proven to be reliable and durable. The durable high-quality aluminum wire feeder offers a much more stable and better welding experience. Third pick in our list is YesWelder MIG-250 MIG Welder. This welder is awesome. Lays down a nice bead with the proper settings, and good quality wire. Even flux core welds. If you have the right settings, and wire. Flux core splatter is really minimal with 0.35 wire. I'm working on my stick welding using the YesWelder, and will report back later on the stick weld quality. MIG synergistic setting and MIG manual setting, gasless flux wire MIG welds, stick welds, and lift TIG welds. Dynamic control set arc control to crisp or soft depending on your preference and application. The IGBT inverter technology provides high power in a light, compact unit. It's designed for hardware, decoration, car modification, equipment and factory maintenance. These units are capable of performing multi-functions MIG synergistic setting and MIG manual setting, gasless flux wire MIG welds, stick welds, and lift TIG welds. Dynamic control set arc control to crisp or soft depending on your preference and application. Synergic MIG provides communication between the power source, feeder, and gun. Easy work with new welders or users. Gasless flux MIG welds release hard moving of gas cylinder, release the low efficiency of stick welds, and work with gasless flux wire perfectly. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Atosha MIG-140 welder. This little welder surprised me on how good it welded. I am a professional welder and use a Eastwood MIG welder to build handicap bikes every day. I needed a small and light DC flux core welding machine to carry on the road to use on repairs. Well, this little welder does the job. The copper tip can avoid slag accumulation when welding effectively. Easy to operate, stable wire feeding. Atosha MIG-140 welder is an impressive flux core capable welder. The highest level of welding machines perform the most perfect welding. Designed for hardware, decoration, car modification, equipment and factory maintenance. The ergonomic and model design makes the machine very easy to carry. Is very suitable for home DIY and repair, maintenance, metal fabrication, farm and road equipment. The welder includes a cooling fan and built-in thermal overload protection to protect and help heat dissipation. Portable design and storage space help carry to everywhere conveniently. Applications include do-it-yourself, maintenance and repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist. Last in our best MIG welder for beginners list is Hobart 500559 MIG Welder. Great machine. LCD viewer makes easy setup and tweaking to dial in perfect settings for MIG stick or TIG. Machine is quiet, my shop fan is louder. I have test welded 1/2 inch down to 14 gauge and it has been great in every application. Tried outdoor welding with gasless flux core .30 wire and my welds never looked so good. The unit is shipped in a pretty retail box like you'd find if you bought it at a retail store. Pictures printed on it of what's inside and enough cardboard to protect it from scratches and keep the parts together, but no padding beyond 1 or 2 layers of single ply corrugated. This same box is not enough for shipping 65 pounds of metal across the country or the county, and the first unit arrived with body panels bent or displaced and some broken plastic in the chassis. I totally recommend this welder and it's even a better buy when Amazon has it at a reduced price. Built with Hobart quality and durability, the Handler 140 is Hobart's most popular MIG welder. Operating on standard 115 volts household current, the Handler 140 is extremely versatile and perfect for the welder that wants to work on auto body, household repairs, farm projects or yard art projects. For details, let's watch more.